Show, this is a big fish right here, y'all. It's a big fish. He stroked it. All right, guys. Just had a good day. Y'all check this video out. Did really good out on the rocks. Good bit of redfish. Caught a few nice speckled trout. Got up in the marsh, didn't do that great. I don't know what happened there. Caught a nice flounder in there. So another grand inshore slam for today. But anyways, hey, y'all don't forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up, all that good stuff. So hey, see y'all out there when we're catching fish, guys. Woo. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Should have had a fish already. They're not cooperating. I know they're here. Where are you, fishy? Somebody's home. Somebody's home. Red fishy. A little red fishy. Come on. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's how you start your morning right there, boys and girls. Ah, get out of the trolling motor. Get out of the trolling motor. All right, beautiful slot. Beautiful slot. Good deal. Yes, sir. Absolutely. At least 18 inches. Yeah, 20 inches. 20-inch red. Yup. That's how we started right there. Just had a hit, but I don't know what it was. Who knows if it'll hit again. There we go. There we go. It hit again, didn't it? It hit again. Yes, it did. Dropping my power pole with my button, because it's so awesome to be able to do that. Another slot. Yes, sir. Goody goody. 2 slot reds, 1 trout. About 25 minutes of fishing. Another 20-inch red. Even white trout hit the matrix crawl, guys. Even white trout. Yeah. I need a red trout though. That's what I want. That's a fish, that's a fish. Oh, there he is. There he is. Woo-hoo. There he goes. Yeah. Not as big as the others, I don't believe. Might keep though. He might make 18. We'll find out in just a minute. Just a minute. 18 and a half. That's perfect size too. Guys up here fishing. Seen them made a few jerks. Look like one of them's hooked up right now. Either that or he's snagged, but I think he's hooked up. Look like he's working it. Oh yeah. They're using live bait, I believe. I've seen them reeling in a couple of things. I don't know what they have, what they were, but I would have to assume they got some redfish going on, maybe sheep's head. I'm getting the net, that's for sure. In the meantime, let me reel this fish in for y'all. Yes, sir. Shaking that head too, boy. Shaking that head. Shaking that head. He got bit. He got bit. Oh, look at that. Good Lord. Woo, woo. Oh, that's a beauty right there, guys. That's a beauty. Beautiful red. Yeah, beauty. Which way you want to go, big boy? It don't matter to me. Don't matter to me. I'm gonna get this here on net, huh? Get this here on net, huh? Come on here. Come here. Boom. Beautiful red right there. I think that's the best one of the day. Yes, sir. 23 inches. Beauty. Beauty, beauty. Get on out of here, girl. No! Oh, I just barely. Oh. Come on, fish. You got to be kidding me. I just barely had it in the boat for less than a couple minutes. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. There you go. All right. Good deal. Hoping this bigger profile bait, the fish will see it a little better. It definitely will discourage the smaller fish, I would think. Hopefully catch bigger fish and more of them. There's a hit. There's a hit. Another trout. That's a nice trout. Nice trout. I was right. I was right. How about the bigger fish? Look at that trout. Nice trout. Very legal trout. Yeah. Let's see how long he is. He's a little on the skinny side, but he's long for sure. About 16 inches. Oh, what we got? Trout? Little trout on the spinnerbait. He smoked it too. Man, he's hit that sun gun so hard. I thought it was a redfish at first, but he comes straight to the top. Little bitty trout too. I mean, that dude, he freaking nailed it, man. But he not big. He got that little man syndrome. Ooh. Busted him on that matrix crawl. One-legged matrix crawl like that. He down there limping around, minding his business. Boom. Uh-huh. Come here, buddy. Another slot. I ain't got as much strength on this setup, so I'm gonna go ahead and net him. He's not a giant, but just in case. I don't want to break my line. Yeah. Another 20-inch red. Gone. 3 20-inch reds. About 40 minutes fishing. One limit. One Mississippi limit worth. And here's the guy that did it all. With a bent hook, getting it out of that redfish's mouth just now. Oh, one claw crawl. Matrix Shad. Pumpkin. I forget, guys, so I apologize. Pumpkin something. Matrix crawl. Gotta change my hook out. Be right back. Okay. Thought I was pulling off of this spot, but yeah, there's another one there. Another one there. He's not as big. Little ratty rat. Little ratty rat. I'll get him out of here real quick. Oh, now I'm all out. Now I'm down to a double amputee. Double amputee crawl. Let's see if they hit it though. We'll make a few casts with it. They like that flutter. They like to see the things flutter, that's for sure. We'll give it a few casts and we'll regroup after that. Beautiful day. Cruising the coast is happening right now. I am cruising the coast. Line. Haha. Y'all get it? Maybe that's what I'll title my video. Cruising the coast. ... Line. One. There's one. I got another one. Drop my power pole with my butt in if I don't lose this fish. Keep my line tight. Keep my line tight. All right, here we go. Another nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beauty. Beauty. It ain't your beauty, it's your spots. Come here. Woo! Another slot. This one was 21 inches. Get him on out of here. Ooh. Don't you do that to me. He is gone. Good deal. Wind starting to pick up. I don't like you, wind. You need just enough, the bugs off and the waves down. I don't know what that exact calculation is, but that is definitely what you want. Beginning to think I need a death grip jig head with these. The only problem is I don't have any light enough. I don't want to, I got like 5/16 or 3/8. That's just too heavy to fish these rocks. That sun gonna sink so fast like that already. This is a 1/4 ounce. And you see what just happened right there. Oh, got it off. Good deal. You really don't want to use a heavy jig head. I don't anyways. You may want to. You may like going and retrieving your hook 100 times. I don't. Say what y'all want. This right here, it's your bait caster's best friend if you ain't good at throwing them like me. Got surprised on that one. He's like right there. Little rat red this time. He did get some of that matrix crawl though. All right. Go enjoy your day. Thank you, come again. Okay, moved into the marsh. I think this is a flounder, guys. It's feeling just like a flounder. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what it is. Flounders like the matrix crawl. Also, he's barely hooked. Get him in here. Nice size flounder too. How about that? Nice size little flounder there. Let him go. And this bayou back off another bayou and just pulled a trout out of here. I can't believe there's a trout in this little dude. Just like a super small tributary off of a small tributary. 7 baits. Willy Wacker Jawbreaker at that. See the fish. See the fish. I see a dark shadow right there. I can't tell what it is. It might be a, can't tell, bass or a redfish, something like that. But I can see it. Little. Might be a gar. Man, I just had it right beside it, right there, right in front of it, right there. See it? A little dark spot. Might be a gar. There's something. There's a something. What we got this time? A little rat red. Another rat red. Nothing big in here so far. Small trout and a small redfish. Well, a flounder. I did get a flounder. A flounder was good. I think that's a flamingo back there, guys. Pink. Huh. That's pretty cool. Comes that pink bird I was talking about. So it's not a flamingo, it's the marsh bird I was talking about. Look at him. See how he's pink? Got that long bill instead of a short. Alright, here he goes. Got another one. Got another one. See if I can stay on him. See if I can get this power pole drop. Alright. Hopefully that stays on where it's supposed to. Oh, we got red. Don't seem big as what I've been catching, but I think he might stretch out to 18. He's not necessarily like fat though, but I don't think he'll stretch out to 18. Maybe 19 or 20. He's just not fat is all. 19. He's just skinny, guys. Malnourished. I don't know, but he was 19 inches. Good fish. Oh, we got trout. Trout. Settle down. That hook's on the outside of him. I don't want to just grab him. Foul hook him. Right in the cranium. Right in the medulla oblongata. Caught him on the Willy Wacker Jawbreaker. Still using that one. I actually got that heavier jig head on here. I done got snagged a couple of times. I should know better. I just don't feel like retying. Here we go. Got another one. Got another one. Had to drop the power pole. Nice little red right here. He's getting a little pull to it. He's going places. He's going places. So he thinks. Oh yeah. Decent red. Really decent red. Denetskis. Bang, bang. Absolutely. Beautiful red. 20.5 inches. Beautiful. Beautiful red. He's gone. I think I got a trout right here, guys. I think I got a trout going around these fellas out here. What this was? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice trout. Nice trout. Not bad. Grunting, little male. Get around these fellas though and get back to trying to catch them. Gosh, I got a monster trout. Oh my gosh, monster trout. Look at this guy. I'm gonna wind up losing him. He's jumping so much. This is a huge trout. Oh, right into the net. Wow, right into the net. What a big trout. Big old fat trout, 18 inches. Let's get it revived here. Let's get it revived. Come on, baby. I got one on. I'm losing him, giving him too much slack. I'm trying to, I don't know, I may lose him right. Might have lost him. Nope, still got him. I was trying to get my power pole drop. Boy, but did I give him a lot of slack though. Can't believe I didn't lose him. Nice little golden red. Just so I want to know. Nope, nowhere near it. 16 inches. That's actually the perfect size. 16. We can't keep that here. In Louisiana you can. Another trout. Another little trout. Not a bad looking little dude. Oh, got something else here. I don't know what this. Oh, he just turned on. I think it's a redfish. Just turned on. Just got moving. Trying to drop the power pole. Yeah. Definitely a redfish. Got some shoulders for a small fish. Yeah, it might. Bigger than what I thought is what it is. All right, this was 19 inches. So definitely a slot red. He's gone. Another speckled trout. He's barely hooked. He's right in the side of the lip. That's that's where they get off right there, when they like that. And big ones with a little more weight, they get hooked right there. They coming off. They gonna shake it. They gonna rip right through their own lip. Oh, another trout. Another trout. Nice one too. Nice one. Oh, Mega's doing his job, son. Matrix Mega's doing his job. Woo, woo, woo. Look at this. Oh, he's barely hooked too. He's like one of them ones I was telling y'all about, right on the side of the lip that will break off easy. Woo! Okay, look at that right there. Woo! Big old trout. Fatty patty. 18 inches too. Another 18 inch. The last 18 inch wasn't as big as this one though. Let me get a picture of this dude. Let's see if we can get this girl revived. Oh, there she goes. Good deal. Good deal. Ooh. Man, I kept getting hit right there and I kept tossing it back. And they were just barely tapping it. And this dude freaking stroked it. He got some short. That's a big fish right here, y'all. That's a big fish. He stroked it. Good fish right here. Around the back of the boat. Gonna be the biggest fish of the day if I land it, that's for sure. Yeah. Just now come to the top. Seen a swirl right there. Ooh. Where'd my net go? It fell down. That's not good. Woo! Got some shoulders on him. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. That's a fish. That's a fish right there, Pawpaw. Woo! Yeah. That's a big one. 26 3/4 inches, guys. The perfect tournament redfish. Beautiful. Let's get him back revived. Oh, there he goes. He's ready to go. Awesome. Go. Another fish. Oh, this is a trout this time. It's a trout. So that's trout too. Take that. He's gone. That's cool. That's cool. Y'all know I'm letting him go anyway. The marsh life right there, boys. Running them crab traps. Let's go. Got something. That's something. What we got? A redfish. Thinking it's a red. Thinking it's a red. He's shaking his head at all. Just trying to run. What was that? Oh yeah. There he is. Another red. Another slot red. Okay. Oh, another 19 inch. A lot of 19 inches today. Go. All right, guys, I think that's gonna be it for me today. Did good out on the rocks, went up in the marsh, caught a couple of small fish, really not even a few, and a nice little flounder in the marsh there. Other than that, I've been working the marsh pretty hard and it's just been pretty bleh. So hey, appreciate y'all watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Appreciate all of y'all, and till next time, guys, we out.